I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off Hey Siri on a macOS device, such as an iMac or MacBook. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the window and then click Apple Intelligence and Siri. Step 3. Navigate to the Siri Requests section and then find the Listen For option in this section. Click to expand the drop-down next to it to open a menu. Step 4. Click to select Off in this menu. The Hey Siri feature will be disabled on your iMac or MacBook going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.